Okay, y'all. I'm about to make a miracle happen. I have prom in 2 days. Yesterday, I randomly decided I was gonna make my dress. So I ordered some things off of Amazon. They just got here today. We about to make this happen. Now with making a dress, I don't think it's gonna be that hard, but I've never did it before. So I don't have a sewing machine or anything, so I'm doing everything by hand with nails on. And wish me luck. So basically what we're doing is adding tulle to the bottom of this Fashion Nova dress, and that's it. Like literally that's it. Alright y'all, let's go make this dress. Fingers crossed. Wish me luck. Cause I'm gonna need it.
It's dark out there.
Okay. Oh. Look how cute the prom invitation is. That is so cute. So everything you're gonna need is pretty cheap. You're gonna need tulle, and that was like $12 on Amazon. You're gonna need like 1 roll of tulle. You're gonna need your dress, of course. You're gonna need scissors, measuring tape, needle and thread, and an elastic band. A lot of this is probably gonna be a voiceover. So basically, I grabbed 2 chairs and I'm gonna tie the elastic around the chair. Now with the elastic, we're gonna cut the tulle and we're gonna tie it around the elastic until it gets puffy. So starting right here, I gotta tie the elastic to the chair and then I'm gonna sew it just to make sure it's extra secure. And when I'm cutting the tulle, I'm gonna measure where the dress stops on me and where I want the tulle to stop on the floor. So I want it to be longer than, like I want it to be long because I want it to cover my feet because I'm tall and I want to get away with not wearing heels. So what I'm going to do is I measured 50 inches with my measuring tape, and then that's where I would cut the tulle each time, and then I would cut it into strips and just tie it on. Okay, the next step is I'm gonna cut this tulle into strips, and then we're gonna tie the strips to the elastic on the chairs. So let's do that. And when you're tying the tulle on, you don't want to like tie it so where both sides are even. You kind of want one side way longer than the other side because that's what's going to make it poofy and that's what's going to make it look fuller faster. I quickly realized that cutting 150 inch and then cutting that into strips would take forever. So I began folding the fabric in half, and I would fold it like 3 or 4 times, and then I would cut it up into strips and things, and that made my life so much easier because you got so many more strips in one go compared to just a few strips with one layer of fabric. So the key here is fold your fabric and then cut it into strips, and you'll have way more strips to work with. It's really repetitive. All you're doing is tying strips onto the elastic, and that's it. You just keep putting strips until it gets full. This is looking like so far. This is what it's looking like so far. It's dark. I've been procrastinating, eating Twix and stuff. This is it so far. I'm 5'8" for reference. And with the measurements I did, I made it, I cut the strips at 55 inches. And when I put them on here, I like made one side a little longer than the other side. Okay, so now that it's done, I'm gonna figure out how to sew it. I'm thinking I'm gonna put the dress on the chair with the elastic band, sew it that way, but I don't know. Okay, so to sew the dress, I just put the dress on top of the chairs in between the tulle, so everything matches with everything. And I'm gonna use ivory thread so it matches everything and you won't be able to see it. I'm just sewing in and out, in and out. That's it. Under, over, under, over. I feel like that was the most secure method I could do on my own with no sewing machine or anything. So I did that twice around the dress and it was good to go. Oh my goodness, I forgot to tell you, this part is very, very crucial. Okay? Instead of using a regular straight needle, I used a hair needle. Now, if you know anything about hair, you know hair needles are curved. And so getting it through the fluff and stuff, it was almost impossible with a straight needle. So I used the curved hair needle. Oh my goodness. It was a game changer, for real. So I gotta put y'all on. If you do this, use a hair needle because they're curved. It'll just make life so much easier. Okay, so instead of using a straight needle, I'm going to use a hair needle because it curves and I could do that. Because the other way, man, that was hard. My back was hurting. So with a hair needle, we could just go like swoop, swoop, swoop. You know, it's gonna get the job done. This is what the finished result looks like. Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of myself. Like, I did that. What? I did that. This is it.